Hey everyone, welcome back to the Common Sense Dad. So we are here in my daughter's bathroom, and my daughter's plural, sorry, daughters, are a little too rough with this drawer, and the drawer header came out. So we are going to fix this and get this back in. So I'm going to show you how to fix this, so stick around. We'll get this thing done. All right, so these cabinets, the header is held together by staples. Yeah, just another reason why you don't use builder grade cabinets. All right, so we're gonna pry all these guys out and then clean up this. This has been damaged once and I've tried to repair it. So, all right, so we got 4 of the staples out, but I don't know. The only way I can get these ones out here is if I take off the rail, and I think I might just do that. All right, let's do it. So these things have 3 screws in them, so we just took those out. All that just so I can get this silly staple out. So I'm just using a pair of electrician's pliers here and gripping them tight, pushing them through, getting the head out, and then just pulling them out. All right. All right, so once I got that out, I'm gonna put the drawer glide back in, because I really don't feel comfortable having this lying around a construction site. And so we'll do the same thing with the other side here as soon as we're done. Okay. All right, let's get this one off. 1, 2, 3. All right, same process here. That looks to be enough. One more. All right. Now this drawer's got quite a bit of glue in it, and I'm afraid that if we hit it a little too hard, it might cause a little bit of damage here. So I think what I'm going to do is just get it off the sides for now. Let's see if we can come up with another way to get that out. All right, so I was able to scrape out the glue, but as you can see, I took off some of the paint. So I think that's going to be okay though, because what we're going to do is we're going to glue this sucker back in, and then I'll set up the compressor and we'll shoot a few brads into it. And I might actually just put the stabilizer on the bottom as well. All right, so we got our glue on the drawer and then on the drawer header. Now we're going to put this sucker in. Okay. All right, now that that's in, let's get the clamps set up. All right. Okay, so while that glue is drying, let's see if we can find an area like on the bottom here. And there's really not enough room to put something to stabilize it. I might just actually cut a small piece of wood and put it in there, just so I can get a better shot at everything. But I think for now what we'll do is we'll let that sit and go get some brad nails and put those in. All right, so I got the gun ready to go here, and I'm a little leery of this, but as long as I shoot him slightly off on an angle, we should be okay. So I'll put one right there, one there, and one there. All right, so I'm going to shoot that one in the middle first. Yep, looks good. Two, and then the one on the bottom. Yeah. All right. So we'll give this a shot, see if this does the trick, and hopefully it does. Okay, so we're going to give it a shot. Should do the trick, but okay, good. So their drawer is now fixed. And that's one less thing on my honey-do list. And my goodness, they have a lot of combs and brushes. Okay. All right, so there you go. So it's fixed. So it's now nice and stable. So the missus has informed me there is another drawer front that is missing upstairs in the boys' bathroom. So I gotta see if I can find the drawer header for this. Nope. Oh, look at that. Bingo. All right, so well, look at how damaged that one is. All right, so take this one out, we'll do the same thing. All right, same issue with this guy. So we've got the staples in the middle of the track for the drawer glide, sorry. So we're gonna have to do the same thing with this one that we did with the other one. That's pretty classy, I gotta tell you. That right there, that's a sight painted cabinet. And they painted right over right over the drawer glides. So that is fine craftsmanship right there. All right. Okay. So lesson, don't ever build your cabinets with staples. That's not a cabinet. This is, all right, enough of my opinion. All right, here we go. Let's get it glued up. All right, let's get this guy laid in. All right, that looks like a pretty good fit. Let's get it in the clamps. All right, that's nice and tight. And again, we're gonna do the same thing. Shoot it with the brads. All right, I'll start from the middle piece here. Looks like this one I can afford to do 4. A little bit bigger. All right, let's put the drawer glides back on. Okay, so here we are. Should fit. There we go. A perfect match. So everything now is back to normal. Get all the boy stuff put in. Okay. And we have a fixed drawer. 2 in 1 day. Outstanding. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for me. Thanks again for tuning in to the Common Sense Dad. I'm glad you stuck around because this is something that I guess happens quite a bit in people's houses. These drawer fronts come off, particularly with these site-built, site-painted cabinets. I still can't believe that. That just is hysterical to me. All right. Very good. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye now.